Affiliate marketing and what you need to know. Is the internet really the road to instant riches? If you've ever asked that question, then it's obvious that you've never attempted to start an online business before. Take affiliate marketing as a quick example. This entails selling products for a commission. You'll never find the word instant associated with this business. Here are some tips to help you understand more about it. Do something every day to further your internet affiliate marketing business, even if it is something small. This incremental approach will move your business forward while keeping you from getting burned out or discouraged. Soon, your business will start to pay off without it seeming like a lot of work. When joining an affiliate marketing program, be aware of the time commitment required to see a significant return. Affiliate marketing is not a passive income source. You need to be out there actively promoting the product or service of the parent company if you want people to follow your links and buy the product. To improve the exposure and visibility of their affiliates' products, savvy website owners will review those products on their website. Not only does this foster interest and potential sales among the webmaster's visitors, but the webmaster can also submit the product review to video directories and indexes, boosting the visibility of his or her own site. Only choose to work with companies that offer current statistics. You want to be able to keep up with all the methods being used to bring in sales. Data that is out of date may not give you the accurate information you need to adjust your methods to the ones your customers use the most. Although the profits from being an affiliate marketer aren't going to be instantaneous, they can be steady and they can be plentiful. Your particular level of success depends on how much you learn about marketing and how well you can develop a campaign. Use the tips provided to you here to assist you in your efforts. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.